In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a duplicate copy of a file so that you can edit and change the aspect of one and leave the other alone. So in my window, you can see at the very top I have a document that's called Tutorial Document. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to save a copy of it and leave one of them completely alone and then edit the other one. So in order to make a copy of a document, you actually have to be viewing its contents. So I'm going to click on the document. Then I'm going to go to the File menu and I'm going to say Make a Copy. What this does is brings up a quick little pop-up menu that says, are you sure you want to create a copy of the document, and if you have anybody that you're sharing this with, do you want to make a copy out to them as well? And so I'm going to leave that deselected for now and go ahead and say OK, because yes, I do want to make a copy. And then it loads the copy of the document. And if you look up right at the top of the page where the title is shown, it comes up and says Copy of Tutorial Document. Now if I'm going to edit this but leave one copy original alone and make changes to this, I might want to name this document something that's going to make sense for me. Copy of tutorial, obviously it tells me it's a copy, but maybe I'm going to make this a specific tutorial document. So what I did is clicked on the name of the document. That brings up a little pop-up menu that says, or pop-up window that says Rename Document, and I can enter a new document name. So I'm going to call this Tutorial on Word Processing, say OK, and you can see the name of it has now changed. So I'm going to go back into, let me just edit this so it's one different. Okay, so now I have two separate documents that look slightly different. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my Docs home page, and I'm going to refresh my page. And I can do that a couple of ways. I'm going to come up to this refresh button in my web browser, but if you notice there's also a button in the upper right hand corner called refresh. So either one is going to work for me. Click refresh. And you can see I have my original tutorial document, and then I have my tutorial on word processing. So I'm going to open the tutorial document. That's the original, looks the same. I'll close that. Tutorial on word processing is the copy of the document that I made some simple editing changes to. So I open that and you can see that's the document that I changed. So that is how you make a copy of a document.